You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers! What's he doing?
Polly here in my Polly Detmers recording studio. I am going to do a unboxing. What am I going to unbox? Well, let's just open it up and find out. Here's the box. Wonder what it could be. I know what it is. I ordered it. See if I can get this open. Nice box. There's 3 pieces in here. Would you look at that? Do you know what that is yet? Yeah, it's a Detroit style pizza pan from the Detroit style pizza company. And I ordered a lid with it. The lid, why do you need a lid? It would be good for proofing of the dough if you put it in there. Also in this order is the gripper. When I did that little stint at Little Caesars, we used these things too. So, you know, they're pretty good for carrying the pan around. Give you a better look at it by taking this wrapping off. Yeah. That works. Now, this Detroit style pizza pan it's like the real deal. In the history of Detroit style pizza, these pans came from the factory. It was a parts pan. Now the industry doesn't use these kind of pans anymore, but it kind of started remanufacturing just for Detroit style pizza. Yeah, the Detroit style pizza company is owned by a chef by the name of Randazzo. And his business is out of, they got one in St. Clair Shores, I guess, and they got one in Roseville, Michigan. His last name is Randazzo. So I remember as a young man going to Randazzo's bakery. I'm pretty sure he's related to that entity. I'm not going to try to speculate on why he doesn't use that name, but I like the Detroit style pizza company name, so I think it's pretty cool. See a little logo right there where it says that Detroit style pizza company. Very nice pan. This one you can buy it seasoned for $30 or you can buy unseasoned for $20. I bought this one for $20. I like to season my own stuff. That's the only reason. Not that I don't trust them to do it right, but yeah, this is sweet. Now, yes, I do already have a Detroit style pizza pan, and but it's not as good as this in my opinion. There's a little bit more backstory to this. At first, I was using this pan from, I think it was Walmart or whatever. And I was making a decent size Detroit style pizza inside there. Now I've been using it for barbecuing, smoking, whatever. So it's all kind of tore up now. And it worked fine. I had no problems with it. I actually got a video using this pan from about 4 years ago. Now, was I making the Detroit style properly? Not entirely, but it turned out very good. And then through Amazon, I purchased this Lloyd's pan, and for some reason it just does not work right. It just, to me, it's, the gauge is too thick in a way, and you almost have to partially bake the pizza crust when using this. I don't want to make a partially baked crust pizza. This thing costs a lot. It costs a decent amount of money. I think it was about, you can pay $40 to $70 for this little pan. And then I learned, you know, being from here, yeah, Roseville, Michigan is the city next door to the city where I grew up. And so I'm very familiar with Randazzo's. I'm very familiar with Gratiot Avenue, where this business is located. And I'm very familiar with Detroit style pizza. And this is the real McCoy right here. Very good. Yeah, I still got to season it, and it's gonna be fun. And the lid is plastic. It is great for, you can stack them if you buy more one of these pans. Very affordable, $20 a pan. That is nothing. And you got the gripper. Pretty cool. I like it. This altogether cost, let me see. Altogether it cost, I think it was $44. Can't find the facts, so maybe I'll show it right here.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
But yeah, I'm very excited to get this thing seasoned up and start using it. And I thank you for watching. Till next time.